let's learn fruit names from A to Z with a fun song. A is for African mango, juicy and sweet. B is for blood orange, a tangy treat. C is for custard apple, creamy inside. D is for desert lime, tart and wide. E is for egg fruit, yellow and bright. Where F is for feijoa fruit, a tasty delight. G is for golden kiwi, soft and round. The H is for honey mango, the best I've found. I is for Indian fig, spiky but cool. Hair J is for Java plum, purple like a jewel. K is for kaffir lime, smelling so nice. L is for lemon drop, tiny like rice. M is for mountain papaya, growing up high. N is for navel orange, give it a try. Yo is for oil palm fruit, shiny and small. P is for purple mangosteen, loved by all. Q is for queen pineapple, golden and grand. R is for red banana, soft in your hand. S is for star fruit, shaped like a star. Shaped like a star. T is for Thai guava, best by far. U is for uvaya fruit, yellow and rare. P is for velvet apple, smooth like air. U is for queen pineapple, golden and grand. Letter X is for sigua melon, a watermelon bite. Y is for yellow passion fruit, sweet and fun. There's Z is for ziziphus fruit, now we're done. Great job, kids, and now you know your ABC fruits. Don't forget to sing along again and share with your friends.